Here we're going to solve a problem involving an angle of depression. We've got a hot air balloon that's flying at a height of 600 feet. It is directly above the Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. The pilot of the balloon looks down at the airport that is known to be 5 miles from the Marshall Space Flight Center. What is the angle of depression from the balloon to the airport? For this problem, we're going to need a diagram. In our diagram, we're going to form a right triangle. We're going to have the balloon above the Space Center. We're going to have the airport that's a distance of 5 miles from the Space Center. 5 miles. The angle of depression is theta. And from geometry, we know that this is also equal to the angle of elevation if we were at the airport looking up to the balloon. So we've got this right triangle here. We also know that the balloon is 600 feet above the Space Center. Now we notice that one of our units is miles and the other is feet. In order to work this problem, we need to have our units be the same. So we're going to convert this 600 feet, we're going to convert the 5 miles into feet. So 5 miles, we can write as 5 miles times 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And here the miles will cancel. We'll get that 5 miles is equivalent to 26,400 feet. Now that we have the same units, we can go ahead and continue with our problem. We know that the tangent of theta is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. In this situation, the opposite side will be 600 feet. And the adjacent side, we had 5 miles, which we changed to 26,400 feet. And so we'll have that the tangent of theta is just equal to 600 over 26,400. We'll go ahead and cancel our feet. It means that theta, the angle of depression, is going to equal the tangent inverse of 600 over 26,400. If we put that in our calculator, we'll see that that's roughly 0.023 radians, or about 1.3 degrees.